welcome back to my channel. My name's Anna. If you're new, my name's Anna. If you're not new, then thank you for watching and thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be doing this awesome easy makeup look. It's Halloween Scarecrow, and it's really cute. And you don't have to buy a costume. You could just use a sun hat, yellow shirt, or even a flannel, which will look better. And then the makeup look, it's really easy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy new tips, and I hope you guys use this makeup look that I showed you guys. So if you guys want to learn how to do this makeup look, then go ahead, stay tuned, and let's get to it. Okay, so obviously you need your base foundation first. You need how you usually do your makeup, and then you do your eyebrows if you want, and then we're gonna get into the Halloween makeup. So for the Scarecrow, I'm gonna start off with the lips. I'm gonna get black eyeliner and then a black lipstick. So the eyeliner is gonna be Wet n Wild Color Icon, and it's in black, 651. So it's just a black eyeliner. You're just gonna outline your lips. Now you can either fill it in with the eyeliner, or you could put in black lipstick. It's just so that the lipstick stays on longer, because the eyeliner does make it stay longer than just the normal lipstick. So I'm gonna be filling it in, and I'm gonna be going in with the black. It doesn't have to be perfect either, just so it stays on, you know. So next I'm gonna be going in with the black lipstick, and this is the Black Heart Beauty. It's matte and it's black, so it looks like this. So now that you have your lipstick on, you're gonna go in with the black eyeliner again, and then you're just gonna be doing like a crease around your, like, right here. So you're gonna be following the natural line of your lips, so the top one, just, you see what I'm doing right there? You're trying to make it look as natural as possible. And then the bottom one is gonna go the same way, but like this. Excuse me, the phone's ringing. So now we're gonna be doing the same thing for the next lip. I mean the next side. And then you fill it in again. This one came out much more thicker. So if you mess up like me, you can always just get a white wipe and then just wipe it off, or a Q-tip. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that you're done, it doesn't have to be perfect. So once you're done, you're gonna be doing excess over it anyways. So you're gonna be getting the same eyeliner. You could get liquid eyeliner or pencil eyeliner. I'm gonna be getting the same one that I've been using. And you're just gonna be doing excess, not big ones, but small ones. Around the line that you did, and then on your lips. Like, I'll show you guys how. It's not gonna be X right here, X right here. It's gonna be one big one, like 2 big ones, maybe 3, but like this. So the more out you go, the smaller they're gonna be. The middle is gonna be bigger. Before starting, I recommend sharpening your eyeliner so it's sharp and you don't get any, you know, messed up things. So it's nice and sharp and straight, the excess. Like so. Like so. And right here is where you're going to start to make them bigger. So next we're going to be doing the nose. And if you guys don't have like orange lipstick or like yellow lipstick, you guys can always use concealer and then go in with eyeshadow. So that's what I'm gonna do. You're just gonna put in some like a tiny bit where you think you're gonna be doing the nose, and it's gonna be kind of like a teardrop. You blend it out just a little bit with your finger, you just pat it. Next I'm going to be taking the Maybelline New York Lemonade Craze eyeshadow palette. And then I'm going to be taking Lemonade Craze, which is the yellow one right here. Tell me why I'm always so clumsy. I bet there's not one video where I don't drop something. I'm going to be getting the eyeshadow, the yellow one, or orange if you guys have orange. And then I'm going to be setting the concealer with the eyeshadow. So we're just going to be patting it slowly until it's all set. So remember, you're going to be making the concealer, the teardrop shape that you're already going to do it. Because if you put on concealer and you set it with the eyeshadow, even if you don't mean to, it's gonna, you know, come out. So I recommend doing the shape with the concealer. And then you can take your finger and then just pat it on, brush it on. Like so. Let me turn off the light. It looks... which lighting's better? I don't know. I'll do this one for now. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you're gonna be going... you're gonna be tracing it. Pencil eyeliners seem to like melt in my skin and be like really thick, so kind of... you can kind of notice right here. So I'm gonna be taking liquid eyeliner and then carefully you're gonna trace it. Let it dry obviously because you don't want to mess it up or smear it. But you're gonna be taking some more of the orange. I think I prefer the orange, so and the orange I'm using is Coral Punch. Coral Punch. I'm gonna be taking some and I'm gonna be patting it. Just patting it so it looks more, you know, bright. Like so. Ooh. Okay. Next you're gonna be taking the liquid eyeliner since it's better anyways. You're also gonna be doing like little stitches on your nose. But this time, they're not gonna be X's. Ay, sorry. So next, you can do like a cute tiny little thing of blush right here. It could be like red or either orange or the same color as your nose, yellow or orange. I think I'm gonna do mine, maybe orange? Let's see. I don't think you need concealer for this. So just put it on like if it was blush, but you're gonna be doing it in just one circle. Like it's gonna be in one, like perfect kind of circle. Not like this, like this. So now that we have our lips, the stitches, the nose, and the blush, you guys can also go in with a brown eyeliner or black, it doesn't matter. And then you guys can do like tiny little freckles just to make it a little bit more better. So I'm gonna do that, but I have to sharpen my pencil first. I think I'm gonna just do 3 like this. Or actually, I think it looked better without. So I'm gonna take them off. I left just these 3 freckles, but I kind of brushed them with a tissue just to make them lighter. So yes, so now I got a better idea. Like if you guys have big-ish lips kind of, and then you guys have like your natural lip shape on the top, try to go straight across only, just so that the shape doesn't interfere with the X's. That's what I found out right now. So just go ahead and do it straight, just so that it doesn't interfere with the X's and it looks better. Also, I would recommend doing liquid eyeliner for all of the X's and stuff, because the pencil tends to melt a lot and it stays warm and melted in your skin, so it moves a lot. So now that I erase these X's, and I'm gonna do them again. So now for the eyelashes, we're gonna be drawing some fake eyelashes on. And then I think the best way would be if you stretched your eye down. Next, you guys can finish it off with a little bit of the same orange eyeshadow or yellow. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then last but not least, you're going to be finishing it off with mascara or fake eyelashes. I'm going to be doing it with mascara. And mine's Voluminous Million Lashes. Okay guys, so this is it. I'm still gonna have to let go of my hair, and then I'm gonna have to put on a hat. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, so I put on a hat and then I let go of my hair. Yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. This is a really easy, fun, and cute makeup look. And you can also throw on a flannel over it. Or you can get like a yellow striped shirt or a yellow shirt, depending. If you did orange or yellow, if your theme is orange, red, or yellow Scarecrow makeup. So yeah, mine's orange yellow, so I decided to put on this yellow and yellow. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look so much, because I know I did. I can't wait to do more, and I'm so excited to show you guys. Don't forget to give this video 2 thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys want to see specific makeup looks for Halloween, if you guys enjoyed this look or not. Comment, subscribe if you're not already, share with your friends, and if you guys did this makeup look, then tag me or send it to me on my social medias. My social medias are always down below my description box. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Oh, I love you guys all so much. So, I love you guys all so much. How do you do the heart? Like this? Oh yeah. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for tuning in. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!